how to make a cold process oven process soap. First, set out all supplies, preheat your oven to 170 degrees Fahrenheit, and prepare an ice water bucket. Next, pour 6.75 ounces of water into a silicone lye-safe container and 4.5 ounces of lye into a paper bowl. Slowly mixing the lye into the water while stirring with a spatula will help dissolve the lye into the water. It's important to mix the lye into the water and not the water into the lye. Place the lye-water mixture into an ice bucket to speed the cooling process. Meanwhile, mix the olive oil, coconut oil, and palm oil together in a silicone bowl. Heat in a microwave for approximately 1 minute and 30 seconds. Check the temperature of oil with an infrared thermometer, ensuring that the temperature is approximately 125 degrees Fahrenheit. While the lye mixture and oil mixtures are cooling, use the infrared thermometer to check temperatures of both mixtures until they are approximately the same temperature, ranging between 110 degrees Fahrenheit and 130 degrees Fahrenheit. When the lye and oil mixtures have reached the desired temperature, mix the lye water into the oil mixture silicone bowl. If desired, add 1.5 teaspoons of mica color and/or 0.5 teaspoons of essential oil fragrance to the mixture. Using the electric mixer, pulse the mixture together so the oils and water emulsify. Once the desired trace, the consistency has been achieved, pour the mixture into a soap mold. Use a popsicle stick to craft a design on top of the soap mixture. Place the soap mold onto a sheet tray and place it into the preheated oven. Turn off the oven and turn on the oven light to help produce some heat. Allow the soap mixture to remain in the oven overnight. The next day, remove the soap from the oven and check for hardening. Once the soap has hardened, remove the soap from the silicone soap mold. Cut the soap into bars.